going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Mercedes C43 key fob. We're going to replace the battery today. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. Silver button right here. Push and hold it down. Then get the emergency key and you can pull it right out. The back cover, the black cover right here, we're going to pull this off now. Alright. You can get yourself a small flathead screwdriver. You can even use the key if you want, but we're just going to pry the back cover off. We're just going to use this very edge right here of the panel and just pry it off. It comes off really easy. Okay, and you want to do just the edge because the rest of it has this black piece here. It kind of hangs off a little bit. All right, once you get that off, right here, we're going to take this cover off here, and if you notice right here, it has these numbers, CR2032. That is the size of the battery. Get your flathead screwdriver, go at this slot, pry the cover off. All right, here's our battery here, and you got two slots here you can choose from. Same thing, flathead screwdriver, go in here, just pry it right out. Show you the battery again. Battery, this one's a Panasonic. So here, 2032 size battery, positive sign facing out towards us. Stick it in here just like that. It should stay. All right. If you cover, it has these feet. Go in these little slots here, put that in first, drop it on, it snaps. Now if you need one of these batteries, check the description box. There's a link, takes you to Amazon. We can get one for like $2. All right, so this cover here, the top part of it needs to go in first because it has these little feet. Goes in these holes, stick that in first like that. Lay it down, snaps, then you get your emergency key. It should go in one way or another. Locks in, you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you leave me a comment, let me know how it went, and hit that like button for me, and hope to see you again in another video.